In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect A2X with Xero for an easy and seamless integration. This process will help streamline your financial data from your e-commerce platform to your accounting software. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to navigate to your Xero dashboard. Open your preferred web browser, log into your Xero account, and you'll be greeted by the intuitive dashboard interface. This is your central hub for all accounting tasks in Xero, and from here, everything is easily accessible. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the Apps section. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu grants you quick access to the Xero App Store where a wide variety of apps that can enhance your Xero experience are available. Once you have the drop-down menu open, click on Open Xero App Store. This will lead you to the App Store interface, which is well organized and user-friendly. You'll see a variety of categories and search options to help you find the app you need. Now let's focus on finding A2X. In the search bar, type in A2X. As you type, the list will filter down and you should see A2X Accountant Tools. This is the app we're looking for. Click on it and you will be taken to its details page. From there, you'll see the option, Get this app. Click it to start the integration process. A window may pop up asking for various permissions. You'll need to grant these to allow the app to interact with your Xero data. So, click on Allow Access to proceed. Once the access is granted, you'll be guided to select your e-commerce channel. If you're using Shopify, select it from the list. This choice connects your Shopify store to Xero via A2X, allowing sales data to flow seamlessly between platforms. Next, A2X will prompt you to enter some personal details. Fill in your first name, last name, and company name. These details help set up your A2X account profile. Don't forget to type in your phone number as well. This helps ensure account security and may be used for communication regarding your account. In the subsequent step, you'll be asked about your business category. Choose the description that best fits your operation. This selection can assist in tailoring A2X's features to suit your specific needs. Following your description choice, you'll encounter an option labeled Please choose an option. Select it and highlight your preferred settings in the dropdown. Finally, click on Accept and complete Xero connection. This final step confirms your setup and completes the integration process. Now A2X is successfully connected to Xero, and your e-commerce transaction data will begin to synchronize effortlessly, allowing you to focus more on growing your business rather than on manual data entry. Thank you for following along. Happy accounting!